Hello, my name is Musa Ibrahim Ali from the Responsible AI Lab, and this is the crop disease detection toolbox. So, when local farmers encounter diseases on their farms, they normally would get in touch with the PPRSD department of Ministry of Food and Agriculture. That is in the situation where they don't have any possible solution or mitigation measure to the disease that they are encountering in their farms. Now, the PPRSD departments would send teams down to those farms to take samples to work on and then give the farmer feedback. Usually, it takes very long for the feedback to get back to the farmers. And so, working in collaboration with the Ministry of Food and Agriculture, we decided to collect data on the local farms and the diseases that they encounter and then train models on those diseases, so it's able to identify the disease, give them some feedback, some recommendation, and then some mitigation measures or treatments that they can use on their farms. Then we realized that every output of the model is in English, and so most farmers would not be able to understand fully what is going on. So we decided to add a translation model to the whole solution that will translate the outcome of the model to the any local dialects that the farmer is familiar with. So once the disease is identified by the model, the person can go on to read on the courses, the recommendations, both organic and chemical, and then he's able to translate to any local dialects that he is familiar with. So you can translate to English, which is the default, Asante, Ikuapemtwi, Ewe, and then Hausa. So those are the four local dialects that we have targeted. Then we realized that most farmers would not be able to read the local dialects once it has been translated in text. So we added another model that is a auto speech recognition model that reads out the local dialects to the farmer. So at least if he's not able to read the translated text, he'll be able to apply what he hears from what the model says.
Fufuru bi ani hɔ seesei yɛ group data system no da hwɛ bio akyiri anakɔ so ne yɛdi ntita ho fi emu akrata fa no so.
In case there are no mitigation measures that is recommended by the system at the moment, since it's always under training and updates from time to time, you can check back at a later time, or you can seek for more help by contacting any of the help units that is added to the help page of the whole solution.